back to the channel, guys. This is LiquidOcelot. The series continues, the ultimatemedium.com course, part 17 of 30, how to use AI tool Chatgpt to your advantage. Now, my friends, this Chatgpt is an AI tool. I've talked about it before on my YouTube channel, and everybody knows about it. Really, the question is how to take full advantage of it. Well, there are several ways you can use ChatGPT, my friends. For example, if I go to my one of my previous searches, I can't access it somehow, but I will show you a prompt, my friends. For example, don't chat with ChatGPT, Amazon warning to employees. I'll copy this title, and for a subtitle I'll just, to get ideas, look at it, my friends. I got ideas for subtitle of the same title. Give me titles for don't chat with ChatGPT, Amazon's warning to employees. So ChatGPT gave me 10 subtitles for me to use, and I used ChatGPT off limits for Amazon employees. I think I used that one, but there are 10 more. The other advantage prompt that I'm going to show you is, we are going to copy this first title and just write, please rephrase following. Just paste the same title over here, and now ChatGPT is going to rephrase it for us. Amazon urges its employees to refrain from interacting with ChatGPT. Look at this, my friends. So this is the second instance. This rephrasing is very, very important, my friends. I think the most important thing that I have shown you the use of ChatGPT is the rephrasing ability. You can simply rephrase a lot of sentences that you don't like in your medium story using ChatGPT, and this will help you a lot in improving your medium stories. And last but not the least, my friends, not last but we can get trending topics from ChatGPT. Like, for example, give me trending topics for blog posts regarding ChatGPT. Give me trending topics for blog posts regarding ChatGPT. This is what I wrote to ChatGPT, and look at this. It's going to give me what it thinks that are the trending topics. So I gave it a keyword, and it's giving me trending topics for that specific keyword. Exploring the capabilities of ChatGPT in action, real-world applications and use cases, ChatGPT and the future of natural processing. And all of these topics it has explored for me. And last but not the least, my friends, once you have the ideas and the topics at your hand, I'll choose this last one, the limitations of ChatGPT and what to expect from future language models. Please write me an article on following. Simple prompt, like even a child can do this. Paste it, and it's going to write me a whole article on this. So obviously, once the article is made by ChatGPT, it's taking some time for a medium story. What you need to do is do several steps even after the creation of this article. But we will wait, my friends. We will wait, because I think this is not the professional version, and it takes some time for it to create content. So we are going to wait. It's taking too much time. Okay, my friends, um, I'm going to, yes, it has started generating content. It has started generating the content, my friends. Has limitation. One main limitation is its lacks of understanding of the context in which a given to written word. It can generate human like text. It does not always understand the meaning behind the words it generates. Another limitation of ChatGPT, its tendency to generate repetitive text. This is because the model is trained on a vast amount of text data, but it lacks the ability to generate truly original content. ChatGPT is a large model which requires a significant amount of computational sources to run. I think it's about to complete writing the article for us, my friends. But the real thing, a lot of people knew about this already. Like, this is not something new that I'm talking about. You must have seen thousands of videos and articles regarding this ability of ChatGPT. But what I'm about to tell you right now is the most important thing on how to fix this article and how to get it to publishing it in the future. How will you get it to get it to publish and make money out of it? That's the important part, the most important part, my friends. My friends, what we are going to do with this pardon me, my friends, this articles is copy it. Copy it. Okay, we copied it. Now the most important parts, we have several tools for checking plagiarism. Plagium is one of them, which I use, which also shows sources, and Grammarly. I think Grammarly also shows you sources. Dupli checker is also there. I'm going to cross it. I'm going to cross this one because it's taking away too much energy of mine. This I need to see. Yes, I need to see this. Yes, Grammarly plagiarism checker, my friends. This is what I was looking for. This is also a free tool. Unfortunately, I don't have Copyscape premium version. I don't have that. I don't own that product, and it is a very important product because it fixes this plagiarism issue for you. Now I have pasted and it says that this article has got plagiarism inside of it. So now how to bypass all of this? This is the main question. Now you just copy. I'll remove all of this data. Remove all of this. This has a plagium has 1000 words. I think 1000 words. So I'll quick check, quick search, and now it is going to tell me exactly where um, not found making use of the text that you enter. I'll do deep research, quick research again. It says it didn't found any text. So my friends, what did we learn over here? We learned that ChatGPT gives you plagiarized content. It doesn't give you 100% original, unique content. And if you post this article, you are going to get into trouble. What I suggest to you to do is do changes, use the rephrasing ability, You can use Quillbot as well for rephrasing, and add your own style to it, my friends. Take some ideas out of it and add your own style, and then check in Grammarly once again. I have given you the tool of Grammarly. You can check it once again. If it is unique content, then go ahead and publish it. This is how you do things, my friends. This is what I wanted to show you guys. So guys, thanks for watching, and stay tuned as part 18 is coming right up. Take care, my friends.